So we've just come back from a fishing trip. Lee and I went to just north of Gympie to a little creek up there, took our kayaks. You'll see all the action. We caught a bunch of different species of fish, but primarily what you're going to see is some bass and some sooties.
Yeah, it was a great trip. Really, really nice autumn day. Conditions were perfect. Fishing was on. It was great. Learning how to use my camera. Got to get a little bit better at that, but yeah, it's great to explore.
Fantastic. We did run out of GoPro, so some of it has been filmed on the phone, and some of it has been filmed with a body camera as well. So the footage is a little bit skewy, but you'll just have to bear with us whilst we practice and learn. But enjoy the footage, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you've got any other handy tips, let us know.
Team G fishing.
All right. Look at all these spider webs. Well, let's hope this is worth it. It should open up here somewhere, another 50 or 60 metres, and then we'll be able to paddle. But until then, she's a foot deep. There's the misso. Now you're dragging that kayak through that shallow water. Hope she doesn't slip and break her ankle again. That won't be good. Well, it's certainly opened up. Check that out. There's Leanne way up there. Can't wait to get amongst them. Look at her go. Anyway, nice country. We'll explore a few spots and see how we go. Here we are. I've got one. Nice sooty here. Nice sooty swim around. Beauty. Oh yeah, come here. Come here. There you go. First sooty on the board. Come here. Get the hook out of here. Whooper. Very nice. Not a bad looking sort, eh? Winner. See you later. Righto, let's see if there's anything under this snag here. Who would know? We got one sooty, one dirty catfish. Look at him go. That's probably catty. Nah, really black, sooty. Blacky. Nice. Oh, there's another one. What's that one? George is going crazy, this one. What is it? Oh, it's a bass. Look at him. You beauty. Bassy. Heavy little sucker. Whee! Maybe about 30, possibly. See ya. Oh, straight on, straight on. Oh yeah, what are ya? In the snags is what you are. What are we? Another little bass. Another little bass. Look at that. Took me into the weeds. Good on him. Hey? Same as the last one, about 30. So this time I'm going to be filming properly. I didn't even get a chance to put the bloody camera on, but anyway, we'll see what happens now. Come back here to where they were, where I've caught the last 3. Here we go. On again, on again, on again, on again. That's got to be a bass. That's got to be a bass. And a good one too. And a good one too. And a good one too. Oh yeah, you beauty. Bit munted. His dorsal fin's a bit cooked. See you later, buddy. Thanks for coming. Here we go. These have got to be just a little one, surely. Boy, maybe not. Maybe not. Oh well. On to the next. Oh, here we go again. I thought I had the camera on, but I didn't. Nice big soot. Look at the size of him. Oh, come here. Nice. Look at the size of that thing. Holy moly. I'll put a measure on him. Holy moly. Let's have a look at him. Come here, you. You'll be right. You'll be right. I'm letting you go, dude. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Let's have a little look. You'll have to straighten up, fella. Alright, let's have a little look at you. We will go from here. All the way to there. It is. It is 37, and he's fat as hell. So good on him. Been eating pretty well. I mean, I'm always chewing on my thumb. I'll let you go, buddy. Jeez, he wasn't going anywhere. One last look at you, mate. Look at that. Beautiful. Thanks for coming, buddy. Well done. Straight under his snag. I don't know what this is. Probably. Oh, bass. Bass. Bassy. Oh, he's munted too. Wow, that's 2 munted that I got today. Come here, buddy. Oi, 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 oi. Calm down. Calm down. put a measure on him just to satisfy my own curiosity. Let's have a look. We are going approximately 34. Approximately 34. Well done, mate. Thanks for coming. He's having a nibble again. Oh, 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 what is this? Oh, yeah, something a bit better. What is it? What is it? Oh, yeah, nice bass. Nice bass. Nice bass. Come here, mate. Come here. Here's a better specimen. Hey. There's a bit better. Righto. Let's have a look at it, mate. Come here. Oh. Good job, mate. Well done. He's a bit of a better fish, isn't he? Hey. Look at that. Ripper reader. Let's have a look. That is going 40 to the fork. 40 to the fork. Look at that. Beautiful. 40s bass. Good looking one. Not munted. Check this out. Hey, from in there. On a shrimp. Champion. I've run out of GoPro. I've got to go and charge it and then have another go, but I got this ripper just in there in these snags. So good. Another smaller one. Same out of the same hole right there. Same hole. Look at him. He's a ripper. Look at this beauty. Look at him. How nice. But we're going to let him go. See you later, buddy. Check out this monster. I've run out of GoPro. He's 43 centimeters. Fat as hell. On a shrimp. Giddy up.